Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and today we're talking about the Dji OSMO Pocket paired with the Wireless Go from Rode. Let's check it out. Now, everyone will agree that the OSMO Pocket has changed the way people vlog and how you shoot outdoors with a built-in gimbal. But what happens when you add this product, the Wireless Go Rode, to an already fantastic shooter? It just steps things up to the next level. Let me show you why.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available.
Alright guys, so let's take a look at what you'll need in order to make everything work for you. So, a couple things I recommend. First thing I recommend is having a tripod, something like a selfie stick. So this right here is one that I like using. It's a little bit heavier than some of the ones that are on the market today, but I really like the fact that it is very stable. So as I open this up, and you'll see this in a second, and I would bring this down and adjust it, I have a really nice stable place where I can place things. So I'll put this right here in the side, and you can notice you can just put it on the side there. It has some battle wounds because I've taken it with me on several shows, and it extends pretty long. So as I were to release it, you can see how far it could go. So it's just enough to have in a backpack, and it just works really well for me. So I'll put that over to the side. The next thing you would need is obviously the Rode Wireless Go. So you have that, and I would at least have one of these, just one of these for you as you're working things through. A phone, because I love the larger screen format. I want to be able to see myself. I find that using the one on the OSMO Pocket, I've just screwed up many shots, so I'd rather have something I can see. The standard cable that comes with the Wireless Go will work, but you're going to need this adapter. So you're going to need this adapter. Make sure you have one of these, the official one for the Dji OSMO Pocket, and that will get you going. You want a pocket, and then what I like using also is, because I like having the camera, is I like having this mount. And there's several mounts, and we're going to have more accessories that we're going to review on the channel for the OSMO Pocket. But take a look at this one right here. What I like about this is that I can have my phone here so I can see everything that's going on, but then I have right here the mount. So this mount is going to allow me to put the Rode, slide it in right here, and have it as part of my setup. So let's get everything going, and then we're going to switch to the actual audio test. We'll look at an audio test with the OSMO Pocket by itself. We're then going to have the mic in hand, and then I'm going to put the mic underneath my shirt to see how it sounds. Let's get right to it. So next, let me show you what the setup looks like. So here I have my camera. I have the OSMO Pocket connected to it. You can see I have the Wireless Go receiver pack on top here, and then this cable the mic cable is gonna go right here plugged in. So that's all you need to have the setup going. So let's switch to this audio source and camera so you can see what you'll get once you combine the two. All right, so what you see here is the OSMO Pocket doing the video footage in our studio. This is shooting at 4K, but the audio source is coming directly from the OSMO Pocket. So what do you think about the audio quality? We still haven't stepped up the audio using the Rode. So here we have still the Rode, and we're going to connect it in a second. Let me know what you think about the audio quality. Now keep in mind that we are in a really quiet area, so you're not getting a lot of ambient noise. So let me know what you think. And we're going to switch it now to the actual OSMO Pocket with the Rode. So now all of the audio is coming through the Wireless Go. What do you think about the audio quality? Is it a thumbs up? Let me know in the comment area. But the next thing we're going to do is we're going to fit this underneath my shirt. So I'm going to take this really quick, and I'm going to put it underneath my shirt. And I have a t-shirt underneath that I have there right on purpose to see how that looks. I'm going to put it right here for a second. And now it's underneath my shirt. What do you think about the audio quality now? So imagine this being under a jacket, being under a sweater, and the dead cat is there, so it shouldn't pick up the cloth moving back and forth, but it should give you an idea of what the audio quality is going to look like. So let me know if this is a thumbs up or thumbs down using the OSMO Pocket with the Wireless Go from Rode. So that concludes our review of the Dji OSMO Pocket paired with the Wireless Go. Let me know what you thought in the comment area. Are they a perfect pair? Love to hear from you.